Today we are going to learn about both the central and state governments. India is a parliamentary democratic republic where the President of India is the head of Indian Union and the Prime Minister and all the ministers are responsible for smooth running of the government. This is called central government. India has separate system of administration for the union, states and union territories. There are 28 states and 8 union territories in the country. We have separate government for states. All the states and union territories have separate governments to run its own administration. Governor, chief minister and all the ministers constitute the government. The member of the parliament is called MP, whereas the member of the legislative assembly is called MLA. Both the central and state governments work according to our constitution. MLA. Who is MLA? MLAs are representatives of the people. He is one among us. He is the member of the legislative assembly. MLAs are elected by the people through general elections. The people who make the laws of a state government are called members of the legislative assembly. MLAs are chosen from different constituencies. For the election of MLAs, the entire state is divided into different constituencies. These constituencies are called the legislative constituencies. One legislative constituency may have 1 lakh or even more people. One MLA is chosen from each legislative constituency to represent that legislative assembly. Formation of government. After the election, the party which gets the more number of MLAs is declared as the majority party. The governor calls the leader of the majority party to form the government, state government. In simple words, a party whose MLAs has won more than half the number of constituencies in the state are called ruling party and forms the government, and the party which gets the total number of seats next to the majority party acts as an opposition party in the legislature. But all the MLAs of other political parties who do not belong to the ruling party are called opposition party. What are all the powers and functions of Chief Minister? The Chief Minister is the real executive head of the state administration. He allocates the portfolios among the ministers. The Council of Ministers are collectively responsible to the state legislature. All the ministers work as a team under the Chief Minister. The Chief Minister formulates programs and policies for the welfare of the people of the state. The Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the Legislative Assembly of the state. Now let us see what are all the powers and functions of Governor. The Governor is an integral part of the state legislature. Governor is the head of the state executive and he has enormous powers. All the administration is carried on in his name. He is the chancellor of the government universities in the state. All bills become law only after his assent. Assent means acceptance. He appoints important officials of the state government such as Advocate General, Chairman and members of State Public Service Commission, State Election Commissioner, Vice Chancellors of state universities, etc. These are all few powers and functions of Governor. Now let us see what are all the requirements for the post of Chief Minister. To become a Chief Minister, you should have completed 25 years of age and should be an MLA. MLA means Member of Legislative Assembly. Or in case of an MLC, that is Member of Legislative Council, you should have completed 30 years of age. What are all the requirements for the post of Governor? To become a Governor, you should be the citizen of India and you should have completed 35 years of age, and you should have sound mind and should not hold any public office of profit. So these are all the requirements for the post of governor. Who are all included in the state government? The governor, the chief minister, council of ministers. The governor is appointed by the President of India for the term of 5 years. The leader of the majority party is appointed as the chief minister by the governor. The chief minister, in consultation with the governor, constitutes a cabinet which includes members of his party as ministers. The term of the office is 5 years.